हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। ये एक ट्रैवल इन्फो ब्लॉगिंग चैनल है। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो जल्दी से जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए। ये वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखिए और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक और शेयर करना मत भूलिए।
Hello guys, today we are going to give you a detailed description of our visit to Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is the largest city and capital of Telangana. It's situated on hilly terrain around artificial lakes, which includes Hussain Sagar as well. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah established Hyderabad in 1591 to extend the capital beyond the fortified Golconda. In 1687, the city was annexed by the Mughals. हैदराबाद जाने के लिए हमने हावड़ा स्टेशन से फलकनुमा एक्सप्रेस बुक किया एंड अराउंड 26 आवर्स लगे हमें सिकंदराबाद स्टेशन पहुंचने में। हैदराबाद इज़ वेल कनेक्टेड थ्रू रेलवेज एंड एयरवेज विद ऑल द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ इंडिया, सो आप कुछ भी प्रेफर कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे जाने के लिए। तो हम नेक्स्ट डे 10 AM अराउंड सिकंदराबाद स्टेशन पहुँचे एंड वहाँ से कैब बुक किए होटल पहुँचने के लिए। हमारा होटल लकड़ी का पुल में था, जो थोड़ा सा पॉश एरिया है एंड ज़्यादातर बिजनेस डेलीगेट्स जो अपने काम से जाते हैं वो वहाँ पे रुकते हैं। लेकिन आप अगर अपनी फैमिली के साथ जाते हो फॉर हैदराबाद टूर देन यू कैन स्टे एट आबिद ऑल्सो, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे होटल्स मिल जाएंगे इजीली एंड वहाँ से जो घूमने का जगह है वो काफ़ी आसपास है, तो आप ये भी प्रेफर कर सकते हो। We freshened up at our hotel and we visited the famous restaurant Paradise in Hyderabad and had Mughlai food in lunch. It was awesome and we enjoyed a lot. Hyderabadi dum biryani, kebab platter which includes different mouth-watering kebabs are some delicacies which are highly recommended to try here. After that we headed towards Golconda Fort, which is a fortified citadel and an early capital of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. It is situated around 10 km away from Hyderabad. We reached the fort and we got the entry pass, which was very cheap actually. And one thing we can say for sure after entering the fort, that anyone will be mesmerized by the scenic beauty and architecture of the fort. The city view from the top of the fort is captivating. It is full of rich history stated in description boards of each corner of the fort. Views are breathtaking and roaming around the historical masterpiece is a lifetime experience. आफ्टर दैट हम चार मीनार गए, जो कि 10 किलोमीटर्स अवे है फ्रॉम गोलकोंडा. It is another worth seeing place in Hyderabad. The Charminar, constructed in 1591, is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad. The Charminar is situated on the east bank of Musi River. To the west lies the Lad Bazaar and to the southwest lies the richly ornamented granite Makkah Masjid. Lad Bazaar is stretched on 4 roads starting from Charminar and is spread across an area of 1 kilometer. You can visit Charminar and enjoy the view from top in the evening and then begin your shopping affair with the glittering Churi Bazaar. हमने वहाँ से बहुत शॉपिंग किया क्योंकि हमें बहुत सारे अच्छे स्टफ्स मिल गए and at a very reasonable price. We enjoyed the famous Irani chai at Charminar Bazaar. Then we headed to our hotel and the next day our plan was to visit Ramoji Film City. Day 2 started with a nice breakfast at the hotel and then we started our journey to Ramoji Film City by a pre-booked bus which picked us up from the hotel. Ramoji Film City is around 30 km away from लकड़ी का पुल एंड मोर देन 1 hour लग गया हमें वहाँ पहुँचने में. Let me give you a brief of the place. Ramoji Film City is India's only thematic holiday destination with Cinemagic, certified as the world's largest film studio complex by Guinness World Records. It spreads across 2,000 acres. We reached our destination at around 9 am and collected our entry tickets, which is a bit costly, but trust me, after experiencing the day of a magical journey, I can say it is complete paisa vasool. It started with a welcome ceremony of music, dance, drama and cinematic magic. Then the internal shuttles kept dropping us at each watching spots of the studio. We could recognize most of the spots as we have seen these locations before in some of our favorite movies, which added excitement to our tour of the studio. Some movies like Bahubali, Surya Vansam, Chris, Ravan are to be named. At each spot, we could find some snack stalls and restaurants also having delicacies with interesting cinematic names. We tried Balal Deva dosa, which was 2 feet long actually and enough for 2 persons. Then there is amusement park and some of the rides are free with the entry ticket, which is great. Hotel stays are also available inside the film city so that tourists can experience a stay in the same place where their favorite stars have been stayed before. A day full of excitement ends with another musical show, which again shows the beauty of cinema. Our target of third day was to visit the Chomala Palace and then reach airport on time. Chomala Palace is around 6 km away from Lakri Ka Pool. It is the place of the Nizams of Hyderabad. The place is unique for its style and elegance. This is the oldest part of the palace and has 4 places: Afzal Mahal, Mehtab Mahal, Tanhiyat Mahal and Aftab Mahal. It was built in a neo-classical style. The museum inside holds the remains of the Nizams and it was so beautiful. बट एक चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि आपको अगर फोटोग्राफी करना है इनसाइड द पैलेस, देन आपको उसका फ़ी जो है वो एंट्री गेट में ही दे देना पड़ेगा. द विंटेज कार्स एट द पार्किंग लॉट वर सो ब्यूटिफुल. यू कैन टेक द पिक्चर्स हियर ऑल्सो. इसी तरह से हमारा डे 3 ख़त्म हुआ एंड देन हम वी हेडेड टूवर्ड्स द एयरपोर्ट. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा हैदराबाद सिटी टूर. पूरा हैदराबाद सिटी घूमने में 3 डेज लगेंगे ही मिनिमम, बिकॉज एक दिन तो पूरा रामोजी फिल्म सिटी में ही जाता है. एंड देयर आर अदर प्लेसेस लाइक हुसैन सागर, NTR गार्डन, ये सब भी मस्ट विजिट प्लेसेस है. तो आप जब भी आए अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ 3 दिन एटलीस्ट ज़रूर रुके एंड एंजॉय कीजिए इस सिटी की ब्यूटी को. एंड हमें ज़रूर बताइए कि आपको हमारा ये विज़िट कैसा लगा. थैंक यू.